Here's a little quick update on Dave's garage. We'll see if anybody can tell what they think it might be. Is it the bikes? Is it a mattress that's getting thrown out? No. What you may not, well, I'll just tell you. We've upgraded the lighting in here. I noticed something before that when I was shooting videos out here, it would be not the best lighting. So one of my bulbs went out, and so I got these crazy bright LED pods that just screw into, because you're only supposed to put up like a 60 watt or something in there, but these don't generate heat, at least not as much as an regular incandescent bulb. But I've got two of these. They were $30 each. They're LEDs, supposedly have a 30-year life. We'll see. If I get 5 years out of them, I'll be happy. There's only $30 each. But the lighting in here now is spectacular at night. So instead of having two 60-watt bulbs, we've got two 300 watts. And they're on three different adjustable bars that you can move and angle it. So I've got them angled not just straight down, but at angles so that this area is well lit, that's well lit, the bike is well lit, the light is extending that way more. So I know it's just kind of a silly little thing, but it actually is fantastic and gives me much better lighting in here when I'm working at night and stuff like that, if I'm out here wrenching on something, which before I was. I did my first oil change at 100 and something miles, and then I just did the second break-in oil change at 700 miles. So at this point, I'll do the next one at 2,000, or I think every 1,500 miles or a track day is 2,000. If I forget, I might go to 2,000 miles. I do it more often than the manual asks for. But yeah, anyway, today I rode Big Girl. I forget how good that bike is. It's I'm thinking that's the one I'm going to get rid of, but then I ride it, and I'm like, oh, I can't get rid of this thing. So it looks like I'm just going to keep 3 bikes indefinitely. Rode the Triumph a little bit yesterday, or was it the day before? I don't know. And then today, I was riding this one around a little bit, but then I came home early because the wind was absolutely horrific. 50, 60 mile an hour gusts. It was blowing me off the road. It was not fun to ride at all. So I just was you know what, screw it. I'm going to go home, change my Earl. Tomorrow should be low 70s and sunny. I don't know where we're riding tomorrow, but anyway, I'm babbling. But we upgraded to some crazy good lighting out here, which should make videos better and make it a little bit nicer to work. What I need to do is get one of these. I need to put some lighting up on this side of the garage. I don't know that it needs to be that bright, just a little supplemental lighting, maybe one in the center. I've got an outlet up there, but it's not switched off the wall. So I'd probably have to get a remote control or have a string that you can pull down or something like that. I'll have to noodle on that one, but that should be good. If I can get another light up there with this lighting, it'd be like a studio in here. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys.